We can definitely get some more energy and enthusiasm. Good evening, everyone. Yes, let's kickstart the evening with a huge round of applause. What a delight to be seeing this full house and such big smiles with cheer and enthusiasm. So fantastic to be seeing each one of you. But I think we definitely can get a little more energy. What do you say? Are we all set for the evening? Okay, let me try this. Are we all set for the evening? Yes. Let's try if this side can beat that. Are we all set for this evening? Yes. Fantastic. What lovely energy. And I must say the visual from the stage looks beautiful. You all look beautiful, so you're definitely making my job a lot easier. Tonight, we all get together for a night of celebration. Celebrating organizations and companies that continue to raise the bar every single year. These are companies and organizations that continue to add to the work culture of this beautiful country of ours. And each one of you present are responsible for that growth, that vision, and that inspiration. But before I really get to the nitty-gritty of what the evening will look like and we all come in together to celebrate, let's kickstart with a fun activity. And for that, I'll request the lights to be slightly dimmed, please. First, I'll request all of you to kindly wear your Xylo bands. Let's see everybody wearing those Xylo bands, please. Can everybody wear them, please? Perfect. Now, on the count of 3, let's wave together. Let's wave together. Come on, everyone. I want to see those Xylo bands up in the air. Fantastic, fantastic. This is such a beautiful visual, and this is exactly the kind of excitement and enthusiasm we want to build on right through the evening. So keep that cheer, keep that momentum on, because we do have a long evening, and we need to become better friends also by the end of it. So once again, thank you for taking out the time and joining us for this very special evening. It is such a delight, privilege, and I have to say it is such an honor as I take the stage, as I welcome each one of you to India's best companies to work for 2026. Let's kickstart this evening with a huge round of applause. Because as I said, we're really here to celebrate the best organizations, the best companies that have really set the benchmark for workplace culture. I am Ridhima Bhatnagar, and I'm so thrilled to be your host for this evening. On behalf of Great Place to Work India, I'm extremely thrilled to welcome each one of you to the 20th annual edition celebrating the best companies to work for in 2026. It's so heartwarming as I see this entire room filled with enthusiasm, filled with optimism, but also I want to take a minute as all of us come together to appreciate the greatness of the workplace cultures that in fact will be recognized this evening. Just some context and data as we kickstart this evening. In India, the study has grown into one of the most comprehensive workplace culture assessments, capturing the lived experience of almost 5.7 million plus employees, all of this across 20 plus industries. As part of the assessment, the organizations are studied through 2 very crucial lenses. One, the quality of the employee experience, and the other is the quality of people practices of an organization's entire employee life cycle. And these really are the sole criteria for really determining an organization's position in the ranking scoreboard, which in fact will be unveiled in a short while from now. But before we really get down to the most awaited part, when we get together for an evening or a night of celebration like this, we of course want to celebrate. Yes, that's one. We